Tell me this. Have you ever noticed that the harder you try to fall asleep, the more awake you feel? Today we're talking about what you actually do at night and how those habits might be feeding your insomnia. Daniel, last time we talked about you waking up around 3 a.m. Today, I want to understand what you do when you can't get back to sleep.
I toss and turn a lot. I check my phone. I keep thinking I have to fall asleep.
Thank you for sharing that. That's actually really common. Many people develop what I call a ritual of insomnia without even realizing it. Let's break it down. When you wake up at 3 a.m. and can't sleep, walk me through exactly what happens.
Well, I get frustrated. I try to make myself sleep. Sometimes I look at the clock. I check messages or scroll a bit.
And what's happening in your body during all this?
I'm tense. My heart beats faster. I start feeling panicky about the next day.
Exactly. And the key thing is that you're teaching your brain to associate your bed with worry and frustration instead of rest.
So I'm training myself to stay awake?
Yes. Every time you lie there stressed, the bed becomes a trigger for wakefulness. It's like you're rehearsing insomnia. This is something we see all the time in cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBT-I. The idea is that your brain is always making associations.
Associations?
Yeah. If you spend a lot of time awake, anxious, and frustrated in bed, your brain learns. Bed equals time to worry. It's actually very good at learning, even the wrong things.
Great. So I've trained myself to be an insomniac.
Kind of. But don't worry, we can retrain it. That's the good news. Today I want to teach you a very practical tool. It's called the 20-minute rule. It's super simple but really powerful.
Okay. What is it?
If you're lying in bed and you feel like 20 minutes have passed without falling asleep, you don't force it. You get up. Gently. Kindly. No self-blame.
Get up even if I'm tired?
Yes. Don't stay in bed battling with yourself. Get out of the bedroom if you can. Do something calm and boring. Dim light dot. No phones or bright screens. Read a page of a book. Sit quietly. Breathe.
So I wait until I feel sleepy again?
Exactly. When you feel genuinely drowsy, you go back to bed and try again.
And if I have to do that 5 times a night?
That's okay. It's not failure. It's practice. The goal is to teach your brain that the bed is only for sleeping. Over time, the need to get up will reduce. Daniel, you did really well today. You identified your personal insomnia ritual, all those small habits that keep you stuck. And you learned the 20-minute rule as your way out.
Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, it'll be hard, but I get why it works.
Exactly. It takes practice and patience, but it's one of the most evidence-based tools we have for breaking chronic insomnia. If you're watching this and you recognize yourself in Daniel's story, try the 20-minute rule tonight. Don't stay stuck in bed fighting. Instead, make a gentle choice to break the insomnia ritual. And join us next time when we'll talk about creating an evening routine that actually supports sleep. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.